finally gonna take the 68 Camaro out for its first drive. We just had to get a few extra parts. Everybody in the comment section on the previous video where we were installing the Holley EFI Sniper kit was telling us that we should have done the bronze distributor gear because I was gonna mess up my car. So we're listening to you guys, right? You think we were to mess it up, the cams? Yeah. I think you even mentioned something about that too. You did.
Something about when we installed it.
We're gonna listen to you guys. We're gonna do that. And then we've got the new regulator in this box. Holley sent us one of these because the one that we have, the diaphragm was leaking. So we're gonna swap this out. So we got a new regulator because the other one was leaking fuel. We're gonna go ahead and throw in this dual throttle spring right here. It's just a little extra safety. So we're gonna go ahead, get all this installed. Once it's all installed, we're gonna hop in the car, take it for the first drive because I know that's what you guys came here to see, is that first drive video. Let me explain what led up to this point. Ever since I bought this car 2 years ago, it has never ran right. Breaking up, sputtering, embarrassing day on the dyno. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this Camaro from 1968 and modernize it with a fuel injection and tuning capabilities using Holley's Sniper EFI Hyperspark kit. And if you missed the previous video of us installing everything, you can find the link in the description below. So it's been, how long has it been since we started this thing?
Lost track.
Lost track. 86 years, no. We'll see how good this Holley kit is. See if she starts the first start. Before, with it being cold, long as it's been sitting, we'll see. So, let this thing boot up. Battery. Got the jumpers on there. Let's see. I had to give her a little bit of gas. That throttle spring is really tight.
That helps eliminate that. Scoot your seat up so you're not driving with your tippy toe.
Watch it right here.
You got people there, people back there. Probably wouldn't.
I could definitely feel the, like when I let off the pedal, it like, it springs back quick.
Yeah. Dual springs are a must.
You can already tell the difference in the drivability.
Yeah.
All this thing needs is power steering.
Yeah.
It needs power steering, better brakes.
It's all in the works, right?
A little bit at a time. She'll get there eventually. But
yeah,
now,
it's definitely a night and day difference.
Oh my gosh! It's just the idle, just the sound of the idle. Wow.
You can't go wrong with a Holley. I've always loved Holley.
Woo. It is so touchy.
Okay.
So it's still learning. Drive it around for a little bit, and then we'll do like a little hit.
Running out of daylight quick. So we're running out of daylight quick.
Yeah, we are running out of daylight.
Seems to be the norm.
Yeah, that is the norm with us. Like by the time, well, it also doesn't help that it gets dark at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, so much better with the Sniper.
Just so much smoother, just driving normal. It's not popping and crackling and making all those weird noises and stuff and missing.
Oh yeah. Well, we found that problem whenever we tore everything apart.
Yeah.
All the spark plug wires and everything that were cut.
I can't wait to get this thing back on the dyno.
Yeah.
Even that, like just easing into it, just feels better.
Don't forget you're on slicks.
Oh, I know. You ready?
it was better on that hit.
Yeah.
She come to life like that now.
Holy shit. Yeah, we definitely need better brakes.
Absolutely, that was...
Holy crap, dude, that was a little sketch.
Yes, it was. That made my butthole pucker right there.
Damn.
I would have let off of it a little bit sooner. But that was so much better that time. And it's going to keep getting better too, because it's learning all the time.
It just like fired right up. Everything was just so simple. Like you couldn't ask for anything simpler. We're gonna swap seats since, you know, Chad helped out with everything. You get to drive it too. That's the deal. That old scared the shit out of me.
I done got my scare for the day. I don't think I'm good.
Isn't it touchy?
Yeah, it's still touchy. It's a little bit better though. I mean, that stiffer spring makes it a little harder to push.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe get some longer ones.
Yeah, I think we're gonna definitely get a longer spring because that one seems like it is pretty stretched out.
Yeah. It's nothing like before. Crazy the difference between before and now. Throttle response is insane. Turn right here, don't you?
Yeah, unless you want to go down and make a hit. Or you can do it on the back roads like I did.
Oh, this dude's following us.
You can definitely feel the pickup even just gradually easing into it.
Yeah, worth every penny.
Oh, for sure. For sure.
Especially on a classic. Has modern touches to it, fuel injection. Right. And Holley is, like I said, I've always loved Holley, and their stuff has always been good.
It's the reliability too.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, even the carburetors, they're so much easier to work on, changing your jets and all that stuff.
It runs better than it did from the factory, brand new, I feel like.
Absolutely. And I mean, we haven't done nothing to it. Put it in the car and start it.
Left turn right here.
So, I mean, it's learning itself. We didn't have to fuck with it. Well, sorry, excuse my language. We didn't have to play with it, make a ton of adjustments.
Yeah, and it's still learning.
Yeah. So much better.
And
the Shelby stands a chance.
Oh, come on.
Did you feel a pull to the right?
Yeah. It sets you back in the seat. Before, this car really didn't set you back in the seat like that. You get that feeling. Before, you never got that.
502 is a 502 now. Just puts a smile on your face automatically.
Yeah. Like, I've been grinning the whole time. It's not the same car.
I'm so impressed at how much difference there is. Even, and I know what a 502 runs like. My brother's got one in his car, in his Chevelle. And it runs like a rape date, but I think this thing actually runs better. I mean, this thing is, the throttle response is like right now, I mean, it's there.
Yeah, there's no delay.
No, there's absolutely no delay. This is definitely a must buy for any classic.
It does set you back.
Yeah.
It sets your ass back in the seat.
Yes, it does.
Wow.
It is crazy.
You said put 100 on the dash?
Yeah, see if you can grab it.
She does get up now. She definitely gets up. Alright, well, we're rolling back in the driveway. That was fun, for sure. And definitely worth it, worth the investment. If anybody is watching this video and you're thinking about putting a Holley kit on your car,
Absolutely.
do it. Just do it. Trust me. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next